Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. अरे मैं तो वही डालना भूल गया मसाला. मैं क्या ही करता हूँ मुझे पता नहीं है. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashnoor Kaur and you guys might have been seeing my Instagram stories of me working out, doing Pilates these days. So it's like a new beginning for me altogether, just switching on to a healthier lifestyle to just get fitter and stronger physically. So that's what's happening these days, and I thought why not take you guys through this entire process that I have in the morning. You can say kind of a routine, and today I'm also going to cook my own breakfast because you know it's like just a healthy breakfast. There's not much to do, but as you guys know I don't have a really good hand at the kitchen. So let's see मैं आज क्या करामात करती हूँ. And by the way, that's how my morning starts, with Ziggy coming, licking me, and you know just kind of playing all around. Now I'm gonna go out and start my routine. And now I'm gonna freshen up and go for a run. Let's go. So guys, I'm just back from my jog, just washed my face and stuff. Now my routine after this initially used to be I used to have lukewarm water with lemon in it. But recently I've switched to Kapiva's Aloe Garcinia juice. It's kind of really helped me. And I always feel that you know whenever you're intaking something, it's not just important आप क्या ले रहे हो अंदर, but also it's important to burn those calories to kind of you know do some sort of a physical activity. That's why मैं empty stomach या तो cardio कर लेती हूँ, jogging पे चली जाती हूँ, and उसके बाद I have this glass of water and 30 ml of Aloe Garcinia juice. So basically this has aloe vera which is sourced from Thar, Rajasthan. एलो वेरा के बेनिफिट्स तो हम सब जानते ही हैं. एलो वेरा हेल्प करता है हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म बूस्ट करने में, शुगर लेवल्स कंट्रोल करने में, एंड दैट सपोर्ट्स वेट मैनेजमेंट. इसके साथ ही इट हैज़ गार्सेनिया विच इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज कोकम. इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव इन हेल्थ एंड वेट मैनेजमेंट एंड एड्स डाइजेशन. सो गार्सेनिया क्या करता है? इट बेसिकली सप्रेसेस आवर एपेटाइट एंड मेक्स अस फील फुल. इट ऑल्सो ब्लॉक्स द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू फैट्स इन आवर बॉडी. ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस गाइज, ये जूस बहुत इफेक्टिव है एंड मुझे जनरली बहुत डिफरेंस देखने को मिला. इट काइंड ऑफ मेक्स अ डिफरेंस नॉट ओनली गेटिंग फिजिकली फिट, बट इससे आपकी डाइजेशन इम्प्रूव होती है एंड आपको बहुत ही नरिशमेंट मिलती है इससे. सो जब आपका डाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है, देयर आर क्वाइट सम एंजाइम्स इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोसेस, तो वो एंजाइम्स भी इस जूस में प्रेजेंट है. सो ये जो जूस है ये बहुत अच्छे से हमारी बॉडी को डिटॉक्सिफाई करता है. यू नो ऑल दीज अनवांटेड फैट्स, these unnecessary deposits जो होती है हमारी बॉडी में, उनको ब्लॉक करता है. सो जनरली ये पीने के बाद मुझे बहुत हेल्दी फील होने लगा है. बेसिकली दिस जूस हैज़ टू बी कंज्यूम्ड इन द मॉर्निंग एवरी डे ऑन एन एम्प्टी स्टमक. आपको खाली पेट इसे लेना है. जस्ट टेक 30 ml ऑफ इट इन अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. आई प्रेफर एडिंग हनी बिकॉज इसका टेस्ट थोड़ा सा सार होता है. कुछ लोगों को लगता है, कुछ लोगों को नहीं लगता. आई लाइक मोर ऑफ दिस स्वीट एंड सार टेस्ट, सो आई एड हनी. यू कैन टू. ऑल्सो गाइज ये 100% आयुर्वेदिक और नेचुरल है, विच इज़ वाई इसके कोई साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स नहीं है. सो इट्स ऑल सेफ एंड गुड टू यूज़. So after this drink I'm going to have 5 to 6 dry fruits, a mixture of almonds, walnuts and macadamia nuts. After which I'll do some stretching, yoga exercises, meditation, and then prepare my breakfast. Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Ashnoor, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese omelette. Okay, jokes aside, I'm done with my meditation and finally I'm going to fill my stomach up with my breakfast. Not fill it of course, but obviously I mean put something inside it. I'm very hungry. So today I'm going to make cheese omelette. ठीक है, I'm not taking carbs these days a lot. मेरी जो nutritionist मम्मा बनी है उन्होंने बोला है कि प्रोटीन एंड फैट्स आपको खाना चाहिए, एंड दैट इज़ काइंड ऑफ सूटिंग मी एज वेल. आई कैन फील द चेंजेस इंटरनली. सो हियर आई हैव द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. प्लीज़ पैन मैंने अच्छे से डेकोरेट किया है, सो प्लीज़ सी. So we have a pan, of course. We have little masalas, 2 eggs and a cheese slice. इससे पहले जो मुझे Instagram पे फॉलो करते आए हैं उन्होंने मेरा एक IGTV वीडियो देखा होगा फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन में, when I couldn't break eggs to make the sunny side up. That's why I thought कि आज मैं ऑमलेट ही बना देती हूँ. So there's no, you know, kind of a hustle or a difficulty for me. So now I'm going to break the egg and beat it into an omelette and then put the cheese slice on it on the frying pan. See, I'm giving such pro tips as a cook जैसे मुझे सब कुछ बनाना आता हो, but there's nothing like that. I'm just trying, you know, I'm learning. So we've put 2 eggs. क्या सुंदर दिख रहा है. Oh ho. Sunny side up, 2 yellow circles. Beautiful. मैं कहूँ मज़ा आ गया. I'm gonna beat it. So I guess we're all nice and smooth. I'm gonna put the frying pan. I'm not going to use much oil, just a drop or 2 because it's non-stick, and of course oil is not good to consume because it's saturated fat. Done. Just gonna add a little oil. Bas. Okay, I'm just gonna spread the oil like a pro. We're done spreading the oil and now we're going to put this in the pan. Not bad. Oh, अरे मैं तो वही डालना भूल गया मसाला. मैं क्या ही करता हूँ मुझे पता नहीं है. That's why I say I'm very bad at cooking. Okay, this is pink salt by the way. Healthy for you. Just sprinkle a little. नमक स्वाद अनुसार. Wow. Guys, this is how I goof up every day. So this is like just a sneak peek into my real life. Very little mirchi. Spice. Now I'm going to put a cheese slice in it and then fold the omelette so it'll taste really nice. So what we're going to do is put the omelette into half, which is why I'm going to kind of fold it into small pieces so that it adjusts nicely. Wow. Guys, you can see the cheese melting and I flipped it like a pro. I'm so proud of myself. There's progress. Now I'm just going to kind of tap it a little bit. Our cheese omelette is almost ready. I'm going to put it in the plate, then season it with oregano. Okay, now this is a task for me. Wow! Proud of myself. इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक नहीं हुई. I usually struggle in this part. Now I'm going to sprinkle some oregano and then make some cuts. That's obviously according to you, whether you want to or not. Just some oregano for the flavor. Now we have the fork and knife, but first I'm going to just make these rectangular cuts so that it's easy to eat and you can see the cheese coming out of. Woo! It looks absolutely beautiful. Please close up at my masterpiece. Now I'm gonna go and enjoy my cheese omelette. All set? Let's dive into this divine cheese omelette with oregano. Oh. क्या बना? Don't disturb my eating. This is the best time of the day. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं? Such people. चलो अब let me eat. Ta-da! I'll see you. So guys, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. I'm kind of planning to start this new thing, not new thing, like just an idea for one of my next videos. If you enjoyed watching me cook, then let me know if you did in the comments below, and suggest me any recipe, the proper steps and procedures, and I'll pick one of them and try to make that exact thing in one of my next videos. So hurry up, comment below with the recipes that you want me to try and make a video out of it. Also, moving on, the Kapiva's Aloe Garcinia juice link will be there in the description box below, so you can go and check that out. And also don't forget to follow their Instagram page. The screenshot is right here. And yeah, that's it. Lots of love to all of you. Fan of the week is Geetika. Congratulations. She also runs an Instagram page of mine, which is Ashnoor Shadow. Lots of love from Punjab, she said. So thank you so much, Geetika. That's a really sweet gesture. You had a very, very sweet comment. Lots of love to you back. And those of you who haven't been the fan of the week yet, you can comment below with your name, and I have subscribed, so I might take your name in my next video. Till then, lots of love. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.